3765 Bowers Hollow. It's a cute gated community. Obviously there's no parking on this side of the street. We have some artificial grass here. You can park in front of this home. There's no wood framing around the garage to maintain, which is a plus. Okay, so as soon as you come into the house, you go to the left, and we have laminate flooring with the change in laminate flooring here. So we have a bedroom suite right off the front of the house. Those are 2.5-inch forward blinds. As you can see, they're not white. Then we have tile here. So we have cabinets that look to be in good condition. They seem large, and the counter seems tall. And then guests may use this sink, these cabinets. So this is an interesting type of, it's a full bath being used as a powder room by guests and also by this bedroom suite downstairs. So that tile continues into this bathroom here. A little bit of storage there. Okay, this doesn't look like the best quality laminate if I'm just looking across the floor and looking at the lines. But this laminate seems to be better quality. And then we have tile. Decent amount of counter space. An eat-in area over there. These cabinets seem fine. No pulls, white dishwasher, but they seem to be in fairly good condition. We have artificial grass in the backyard. So that is this is an add-on, I believe. Maybe not. I thought it was. And we have another large bedroom with a suite, an ensuite. So we have two bedroom suites downstairs. Little vanity. Custom closet. So many things downstairs. I'm excited to see upstairs. Okay, so here's the laundry room, off in a room by itself with the tile that we've seen in a couple of other areas. Our 2-car garage. carpet's in okay condition. Huge loft area. Huh, interesting. So this probably is used as a bedroom by some people, even though there's no door, but we have a full bath.